I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, ensure your vehicle is completely cool to avoid burns. Always disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. You will need basic hand tools, a new thermostat, and fresh coolant. This process typically takes about 1 to 2 hours, depending on your experience level. Having a drain pan ready is also crucial for catching old coolant. Now let's prepare for removal. Position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator. You can either open the radiator drain cock or carefully remove the lower radiator hose to drain the coolant. Expect several quarts of coolant to flow out. Once drained, locate the thermostat housing. It's typically found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine, often secured by 2 or 3 bolts. With the coolant drained, it's time to remove the old thermostat. First, loosen the clamp and detach the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Next, use a wrench to remove the 2 or 3 bolts holding the housing in place. Gently pry the housing free, being careful not to damage the mating surfaces. Lift out the old thermostat and its gasket, noting its orientation for the new installation. Finally, let's install the new thermostat. Ensure all mating surfaces are clean and free of old gasket material. Place the new gasket, then insert the new thermostat in the same orientation as the old one. Reattach the housing, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 18 to 22 foot-pounds. Reconnect the radiator hose and refill the system with the correct coolant mixture, then bleed any air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.